Hello children. What do you feel when you see this picture? Yes, these two kids, they are very neat and clean, nicely combed hair. What do you feel? Yes, they are very neat and clean. They have kept their body very clean. Keeping your body clean helps to prevent illness and infection. See, now the next picture. What do you feel when you see these two kids? They are very dirty. They are playing in a mud and their dress has become very muddy. Okay, they are not clean. All the germs have attacked them. So we must always keep our body clean. So these are the things which help us to keep our body clean. Towel, soap, toothpaste, clean comb and a nail cutter. By using these things, we can keep our body neat and clean. Always you must use neat comb to brush your hair. Okay? And when you wear neat and clean cloth after bath, you will shine. Why? Because there will be no dirt and germs will not attack you. These germs are very dangerous. Dirty clothes are places where germs live and grow. Germs can make you fall ill. So, when you wear clean clothes, they will not get a place to live and they will not grow, and you will be healthy and happy. You will be always shining. Okay, these are the advantages of wearing clean clothes. And you must always trim your nails. Weekly you must trim it. You can take your parents' help and always keep your nails short and clean so that dirt will not accumulate in the nails which will go in your body. You must always brush your teeth twice a day, morning and at night, so that the food which is stuck in the mouth will go out. And again germs will not get a place to grow. When you finish eating, you can brush your teeth, and after that you must gargle. When you gargle, again your mouth becomes clean. No place for germs. Yes, you are right. Now your mouth is neat and clean and teeth will be shiny. Okay, and one more thing, you must have your food time to time. Instead of eating chips and all, you must include fruits, vegetables and sandwich. With all the vegetables you can eat chapati, sabzi, roti, rice, dal. These are the healthy things you can eat. Don't eat that chips, kurkure. Those are not good for health. And if you are taking a toy while sleeping, you must wash that toy also. You can tell your mama, please wash my toy, because it will also be sleeping with you, isn't it? And like this you can keep yourself clean. Children, now we will see how to wash your hands properly. First, take soap and water. Then rub palm to palm. After that, between fingers. Then back of hands. Then don't leave the thumbs. Rub your thumbs properly. Back of the finger should be clean properly. Fingernails and then wrist. Okay. Now we are going to do the activity. All of you open your awareness skill book. Awareness skill book. In that, open page number 4. Page number 4. See what they have given here. Keeping clean. Tick the things we do to keep clean. So what you do to keep yourself clean, that picture you must put the tick mark. So which is the first picture here? Not taking bath. Is it a good habit, children, that you will not take the bath? No, this is not a good habit. You will become dirty if you don't take the bath. The germs will attack you. So you are not going to take it. Leave this. Okay. Second picture. Wearing clean clothes. When you wear clean clothes, you'll be happy. You'll be clean. So this we are going to put a tick mark. Yes. Third picture. Eating meals on time. Every day you must eat on time to time. Okay, you must not skip the food. You'll become weak if you'll not eat properly and you will fall sick. So this is correct. Eating meals on time. Yes. Then washing hands. Yes. Every time when you sit to eat, you must wash your hands. When you visit the toilet, you must wash the hands. Okay. So this is a good habit. You will be clean. Okay. So we are going to put a tick mark here. Next. Playing in mud. If you play in mud, you will be clean, children? No. You will not be clean. You will become dirty. So don't tick this. Leave this. No. We are not going to tick it. Okay. Next. Brushing teeth. Yes. When you brush your teeth, then your teeth will be shiny, clean. So we are going to put a tick mark here. This is correct. You must brush your teeth twice a day, morning and at night. Now this last one. Rinsing mouth after meals. When you finish your meal, you must rinse your mouth so that whatever food stuck in the teeth will come out and germs will not attack your teeth. So this is correct. Yes. So you are going to put a tick mark. So like this you are going to complete this page, children. Okay.